Worrying is natural, right? There are two things you should never ever worry about. The first are those things that are not in your control. Because if you have no control over them, then worry is pointless and brings misery. The second are those things that are in your control. Because taking action to make a change will benefit you much more than wasting your time, energies, and emotions with worry. So stop worrying. Take action in the things you can control. And comfort yourself knowing that Allah, the most merciful and kind, is taking care of you.